In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in videos in Canva. If you want to bring attention to a specific part of your footage or make your subject fill the frame a bit more, you can do that right inside Canva in just a moment. We're not talking about an animated push-in here, but a simple, precise zoom that keeps your video's proportions looking clean and professional. Start by opening your project in Canva, then head to the page that contains the video you want to adjust. Make sure you're on the exact page where the clip sits on your design. Once you see the video on the canvas, double-click directly on it. This puts you into Canva's cropping and resizing mode, which is where the magic happens. You'll notice a bounding box appear around your video with handles at the corners and edges. That's your visual cue that you're ready to make the adjustment. From here, click and drag one of the corner handles outward. As you pull that corner away, the video scales up evenly, which means it zooms in while keeping the original aspect ratio intact. Using a corner is important because it prevents distortion. If you pulled from a side, you could stretch the video, but the corner keeps everything proportional and clean. Keep dragging until your subject or area of interest is framed the way you want it. When you release the mouse, you'll see the zoomed result reflected on the canvas. A quick tip as you fine-tune: watch for image quality. Zooming in is essentially enlarging pixels, so don't overdo it to the point where the footage starts to look soft or grainy. Move in just enough to achieve your composition and maintain clarity. Another helpful guideline is to keep important elements away from the very edges of the frame so they don't feel cramped. If you change your mind or want a different crop, simply double-click the video again to re-enter the same mode and drag the corner back inward to zoom out or outward again to refine the zoom. You're never locked in, and you can repeat this as many times as you need until it looks right. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, go to the page with your video, double-click to enter the cropping and resizing mode, and drag a corner outward to zoom while preserving the aspect ratio. It's a quick, reliable way to improve your framing and draw focus where it matters most, all without leaving Canva.